Kira, what do you think about sourdough starters?
No.
No? Alright guys, good morning. Welcome to day 6 of our sourdough starter from scratch. So, by now you guys should be getting into a nice little rhythm with your sourdough starters, seeing them rise and fall. Should be pretty established by now. So what we're going to do is we're just going to do same as we've been doing since day 4, every 12 hours. We are going to be feeding this bad boy till about day 7, then we're going to adjust our ingredients just a little bit, but not by much. This discard stuff you can save now to use for all sorts of recipes. I've been saying that for a little while now. As you can see, it rose a little bit, but it's also fallen. I waited a little long, just doing chores in the morning, getting stuff together for Kira. Took me a little bit, but it's fine. It's just collapsed a little bit. There's no alcohol forming or liquid at the top, so that's a very good sign. And you know, it's not gonna be that bad. If you take a look and you smell it, it should have like kind of like a vinegary, very like acidic smell to it. And you guys can see right there. Ooh, I bet it looks crazy. That little bit piece there. But alright, so we're going to take 75 grams of this mixture, pour it into our new jar. And take our handy dandy chopstick and stir it down. Nice. Cricket. He's like our little kitchen cricket. He's been with us forever. It's kind of relaxing knowing that he's there. He's kind of like our unofficial pet. Been here forever. So, okay, we got 75 grams of that mixture in there. Gonna tear that out. Now we got 50 grams of all-purpose flour. And we're going to take 50 grams of our dark rye flour. So now we have those things. I'm going to take a sip of my cold brew coffee, and we're going to do 115 grams of water. And guys, I have a reverse osmosis system here at the house. The water that comes out of here is pure water at about 80 to 82 degrees. So I can just pour it from the tap. It's really convenient, it's super easy. If you guys can get an RO system, I would. They're totally worth the investment, even just for the clean water drinking benefits. But this makes this process so much easier. You want to make sure you guys aren't using hard water or chlorinated water. That could really affect your starters' growth and its ability. These things are pretty hard to kill, but even still. So if you guys are worried about your water or your tap water that you guys are using, you don't have any filtered water or distilled water, I would just leave it out overnight and use it in the morning. I think that that's the safest thing. Then just get like a cup or however much you need. In this case, we're going to use 115 grams. So just going to pour that in. Take our chopstick and stir that bad boy up. And you just want to make sure that everything is nicely incorporated. There's no little dry bits. This thing's done. I'm going to take this, I'm going to store it in a jar in the fridge where I store all my other discards. So I'm going to put this aside for right now. Then all we're going to do is we're going to take our cap, throw it on there, give it tight but not too tight, and Do a nice little turn back there. We're going to take our rubber band, our sticker. Alright, you can see right there. No confusion what that is a sourdough starter. So I'm going to put band. And the thing about the rubber band is so you can track its growth. That should do it. Alright guys, that does it for day 6 of our sourdough starter video. We only have one more day. If you guys are getting value out of this video, like it. If you guys want to see more videos like this channel is all about recipes from cooking to baking that are really good for family life and just, you know, good tasty stuff in general. So subscribe if you want to see more of these videos. And let me know what you think or any questions or problems you guys are having with your starter in the comments below. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 7.